How to install and configure Postfix on AlmaLinux. Today, we will guide you through the process of installing and configuring Postfix on AlmaLinux. Postfix is a powerful and flexible mail transfer agent, MTA, used for routing and delivering emails. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your server. First, ensure your server is up to date. Open your terminal and run the following commands. Step 2. Install Postfix. Next, install Postfix using the DNF package manager. Step 3. Configure Postfix. Now, let's configure Postfix. We'll start by editing the main configuration file. Highlight key configuration lines to edit, such as Step 4. Start and enable Postfix. After configuring, let's start and enable the Postfix service. Step 5. Test Postfix. To ensure Postfix is working correctly, we'll send a test email. That's it. You've successfully installed and configured Postfix on AlmaLinux. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more sysadmin tutorials. Thanks for watching.